Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you for watching my videos. For today's look, I'm going to create a very simple winged liner with red lipstick. I'm using all of these products that I'm showing you, and I'll link all the products and brushes down below. Let's go ahead and get started. Today I'm using Urban Decay's Primer Potion, and I'm warming it up with my fingertips and dabbing it onto my lids. Next, I'm going to grab a fluffy brush or blending brush from Furless and my Balm Cosmetics Nude Beach eyeshadow, which is a nude eyeshadow, and I'm going to put that in the crease of my eye. So I'm going to go ahead and blend it in and make it look very natural. Sometimes I even use contour powder in my crease, so that will work just as well. Okay, and now we're going to start with the winged liner. As you see, I already have one eye done. I'm using NYX Cosmetics Matte Liquid Liner. I love this liner. As you might see, it's kind of dragging, and it's because I'm almost done with the bottle. So this bottle is like drying out a little bit and it's really dragging. It's making it a little more difficult to get that smooth line. I should say tube. I'm almost done with this tube rather than bottle. So regarding eyeliner for winged liner, some people prefer to use the felt tip pen, like this one that I'm showing you, to do winged liner. Personally, I really like the liquid and the brush, but whatever, it's up to you. I'm just using this to line my lash line and make it darker. I feel like I messed up a little bit on my line for my wing liner, so what I'm doing is grabbing a concealer brush and concealer and just straightening out that line. Then I'm re-adding a little bit of nude eyeshadow to my crease. This next part that I'm going to show you should have been done before the eyeliner, but I did it a little differently today. For your lid, you can add like a matte shadow, a really light cream, or you can add a little sparkle. I'm using MAC Cosmetics Honey Lust, and that has a little bit of sparkle to it. For my foundation, I'm going to use NARS Cosmetics Velvet Matte Skin Tint with SPF 30, and I'm going to apply it with my fingers and then blend it out with my Sephora Pro Flawless Airbrush. I really recommend getting a foundation with SPF in it. You need to be protecting your face every single day with sunscreen. Next, I'm going to brighten the center of my face, and I'm going to add concealer under my eyes, on my nose, a little bit on my forehead, and just the places where I feel like it needs to be brightened. In this particular video, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape, which I love. I got this in my Ipsy Glambag. I'm so glad I got to try it because I love it. And I'm going to buy some for my professional makeup kit for my clients. And then sometimes I use a beauty blender to blend everything out, or I use my MAC foundation brush. It's really up to you and what you have. Now we're going to move on to contouring, and today I'm going to use Too Faced bronzer because it smells like chocolate. It smells so good. And I'm using a Sephora Pro brush. You can buy it at Sephora. This one is just a little angled, so it's really nice to use for contour. The other places you want to contour besides the hollows of your cheeks are your forehead and your jawline. So you'll hear a lot of YouTubers or makeup artists say you make a 3 on your face. So that's what I'm showing you right now. I'm making a 3 and just contouring those areas. The whole point of contouring is to either make your features look smaller or more defined. So the goal is to make your face look as oval as possible. I usually don't do this step on a daily basis, which is highlighting underneath the contour, but for the sake of this video, I really wanted to show you the definition. So once again, grab your foundation brush or beauty blender and blend that out. Also, when using a brush, use circular motions. That will help make your makeup look a little more airbrushed and less streaky. Next, I'm going to apply some blush. I'm personally using Slate Cosmetics in Coral, and I'm going to apply it to the apples of my cheeks and then make a Nike sign on both sides of my face. I'll link all the brushes that I used down below, but now I'm going to move on to setting powder. So I'm going to use Pierre's banana powder. I got this in my Ipsy Glambag, and it's a sample size. I really like it though. Banana powder just means that it's yellow. You can use translucent, which is white, but it goes on as pretty much clear. So this is going to set your foundation to make it last all day long. So now here's the real highlighter. Sometimes people call concealer highlighter, and that just means it's brightening your face, but this is highlighter. It's like has a metallic sheen to it, and this will catch a lot of light. So this you want to apply to the high points of your face, and this will make everything stand out a little bit more. So it will make your cheekbones look more pronounced, your nose look thinner, and the light is just going to catch it. So sometimes I even put it underneath my eyes too, since the light will catch it and it will take away the bags under my eyes. So if you notice, I showed you two types of highlighter. One was cream and one was powder. You don't need to use both, I just wanted to show you the two separate types. Also, you can add highlighter to your Cupid's bow and the corners of your mouth to make your lips look a little bigger. And here I'm adding white eyeliner to my waterline to make my eyes look brighter. And now I'm going to add red lipstick. This particular color came from a MAC Cosmetics holiday collection, so I got it last year, so I'm not sure if they'll have it this year, but it's like a burnt orange red. I really love it. I'll post what it is. Last, I'm going to add highlighter to the inner corner of my eye. And that brings us to the final look. So this is the look minus false eyelashes or mascara. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, then please give me a thumbs up.